Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at VIDA, Vista Innovation and Design Academy here in Vista, California. I'm part of the Vista Unified School District, home of the Sharks. Such a great honor again for me, to share my heart for a second time now. I was here a couple weeks back talking about bullying, looking at someone's heart first, the same way that you see your own best friend for this before anything else. But also today taking it up a level and talking about what you see on the screen, which says leadership, passion to purpose, right? Which means that we really truly think about, what makes us come alive, what we love to do, our talents, skills, gifts, abilities, and we go start using those to help others already at a young age, and that becomes our purpose. So we talk about the concept of being like someone's helping hands, being, when they have a need, that we can come support them. After we've kind of healed our heart, then we're able to be all in for people around us. Mark Twain said the two most important days in your life are the day that you're born and the day that you find out why. And part of our why are the people that are, part of our lives that we interact with on a daily basis, our family, our friends, our coaches, our teachers, our mentors. And for us to know that, we're here at this time in history, at this point in time, as part of their lives, it's for a reason, right? We can either uplift them or we can tear them down. But knowing what leaders do, what positive leaders do, it's trying to help others, right? Like Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. had said, life's most persistent, urgent question is, what are you doing for others? Not just yourself, but being more selfless, right? And so the shirt that I wear for this assembly, obviously the multicolored peace sign, but it has the shape of the heart because that's where passion lies, inside our heart, right? But also different colors because there's so many different ways to be a leader, right? Some of us lead by example. We're kind of more the quiet strength, quiet leaders, and that's fine. Some of us lead with our voice. We're more loud, vocal leaders like myself. I talk a lot, and that's fine too. There's no right way or wrong way to be a leader as long as you are choosing, to really make a positive impact. And every action, no matter how small, can make a difference. We talked about that. We talked about that today, right? That a text message, a smile, 2 seconds, 45-minute assembly. It doesn't always have to be that long to really, have a lasting impact on someone's heart that could maybe last forever, and that we don't do it for the accolades, we don't do it for the money, we don't do it for trophies, to get on the news stations, to get pizza parties. We're doing this because it's heavy on our hearts and because it's the right thing to do. You don't have to brag about it, but really, true respectful leaders, they stay humble, they stay under the radar. And again, they just do it because it's what they want to be remembered for. Think about their legacy, right? Hopefully making positive marks on other people's hearts around them throughout the course of their life. And that's kind of what I've told them is, this is something, this passion that is so heavy on me. When I'm speaking like this, I'm 110% alive, I'm on fire. I love this calling. I found my purpose. I didn't find it back in middle school. The people that I spoke to today, grades 6, 7, and 8, I found it a few years later, but at least I found it. And that's what I tell people that, you might not find it, when you're 5, 6 years old, or even when you're 85, 86 years old, but hopefully you find it at least at some point. And for me to know that we can already get the wheels turning for these young students, start to impact them, starting to impress upon their brains the ideas of them already believing in themselves, that they can see someone and themselves as miracles. Like we talk about that in all my assemblies, right? The lines on our hands, I trace mine here, that we're all true miracles, worthy of love, to give it and receive it. And if we believe this, now we can go be that light to other people's hearts around us and really start to make this world a better place. So thanks for touching my heart. You're beautiful. I'll see you all again in 2024. Until then, though, and as always, make sure the subscribe button is to pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.